Look what I got. My puppy dog.
And it's bacon.
Bacon flavor. Yeah,
Bacon flavor?
scissors.
Huh?
Scissors.
And somebody's waiting. What is it?
You waiting for this, Alexa?
She's waiting. Look at that.
You want this?
What's Daddy have for you?
Yeah.
Yay.
Look at holes. What is it? Any toy for you?
What is it? What is
You
it?
smell bacon? Yeah, let me have it. You want? Huh? You want that? Okay. Jumping dog.
Bring it to me. Smell good?
Yeah.
Is it smell good? Yes. He said yes. Yay. Yay, where is it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Ah, you have a lot of toys already. Look at that.
I can smell this and eat it. Wait.
Hmm.
Yeah, eat this one. This one smells like bacon.
Yeah, she's liking it. Oh, you keep biting it. You think that is
Ooh.
food. Hmm.
Yeah, you like that one, huh?
We give the other one now.
Yeah. The duck.
And this is the one I got for her.
It's not bad.
It's a chicken.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Look at this. What is it?
Your tail wagging. Oh, I like that.
Hey,
I like that. Go see.
look at this.
Go see. You're gonna be hearing that all the time. Listen. Sit down.
It's chicken. It's chicken, Alexa. It's chicken. It's chicken. You like it?
Let me have it.
Okay, I give it now. Yay!
What that noise?
Oh my goodness, this is big. He said it's big. You know, she's scared.
It's noisy.
Why you look like scared, Alexa? You're supposed to be not scared because you like chicken. How come you're scared? How come you're scared? How come you're scared? How come you're scared? Ano your babe? Alexa, get the toy.
You want it? Yes. You want the toy?
She didn't like it. Oh yeah, I thought you like it. Get the chicken.
He's dead now.
Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Oh my goodness, Alexa, you're so funny.
Yeah.
Get the chicken. Come on. Get the chicken. Get it.
Sneak up on it.
Let's get it. Yeah.
Jumping sideways.
What happened?
Come on, Alexa.
Go get your toy. Go get your toy. I just let her by herself. I'm so scared.
Yeah, Alexa.
You like it because there's... I thought you like it because you like
It's
chicken.
big and noisy. Yeah. Yeah. Get your chicken. Come on, Alexa. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's okay, baby. Go, come on, get it, you toy.
There you go. Go on, Alexa. Yeah, Alexa. Get your toy.
What happened?
Afraid of it.
Are you scared of it? Throw away, honey. Try it. We should like it.
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah.
Get it!
Yeah, Alexa. Yeah, Alexa.
Ah, you don't like it?
Yeah, Alexa. Yeah,
He's
jump on it.
scared.
She'll get it eventually. It's like a kitty cat, huh? You play with that like the kitty cat.
Alexa, come
Yeah,
on.
Alexa. Get the chicken. It's a chicken. Get the chicken.
Get the chicken. You don't like mommy give to you.
What is that? Yeah.
You don't know how to bark? Now you're barking.
Yeah, she knows.
Come on, daddy, help me, daddy.
Toy.
Come on, daddy, help me. Come on, daddy, help me.
Yeah.
Don't press, don't press.
Get it. Get it. I said get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. And that's where you're at. Look at me. Yeah. Get the toy. Get it. It's yours. Yeah. Get it. There you go. It's okay.
What are you barking for?
Get it.
Huh? What are you barking for?
Get it.
What you barking for?
Let's get it. Get it. Get it.
This, Mr.
Mr. Rooster.
Mr. Rooster?
Chicken.
Little Mr. Rooster? Come on.
Play with it.
That's the only toy that she do. She react like that. Every toy she like it, but that one is
She'll like it in a minute. It's just that noise makes.
yeah, especially the other.
Right on my face. Yeah, good.
I
You're back up in the meat.
it's just a sound.
It's just downstairs. Oh, yeah.
Hi! It scared me.
What is that?
You know how to bark now? You don't know how to bark.
Don't take my picture. Don't take. Good toy. Play with it. Oh, look,
His eye.
you killed it. It's down.
His eye.
I made a noise. Anyway, it makes a noise when I do that.
It's so funny.
Not that. Give me that. Give me that. That's for later. Hey.
Don't put it. She's scared like that. She's scared. Get it, Alexa, get it. Get it. Get the chicken. Get the chicken. Come here.
Nothing.
Oh, nice. You're not. Okay, play it.
It's your the bedroom and y'all chill up in the day. McGee, play with this. What is with that chicken you don't like?
Yeah, you get tired of that chicken?
1 hour later.
It's your favorite now, huh? Joey, I thought you didn't like that toys. Why you bring here in the bed? Huh? You that now is your favorite? Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's your favorite now? Hey, look at honey. She looks so pretty. She's hugging it.
Thank you. So 39. Right by 48, that's 88. Let's see.
Alexa, you love that chicken, huh? You sleep with the chicken? Oh, can I get that chicken? Can I get it? Huh? Can I get this? Can I get? Huh? Can I get? Yeah, this is mine now. Can I get? Can I get? Okay, I'll give you back. And go sleep. Go sleep.
Let me tell you two gals something. Men don't let other people touch their feet. A real man clips his own toenails and puts them in the wife's hair.
What's that look? What's that look? A pretty baby. A pretty baby.